Lionel Messi reportedly wants out. And can you blame him? Barcelona is a mess. Years of shambolic management came to a head this month in the form of 8 Bayern Munich goals. 2 days later, Marcelo Bachelor, the journalist who first reported Neymar's moving to Paris Saint-Germain, said that Messi wanted to leave Barcelona. And with that, one of the biggest transfer stories in the history of soccer will begin unfolding before our eyes. Messi, the greatest ever player, who has spent his entire professional career at one of the biggest clubs ever, is available in the weirdest summer ever. Here are the top candidates in order of likelihood, from most realistic landing spot to most outlandish. At number 1 is Manchester City. If there is an obvious destination, it's Manchester City. The reason? Pep Guardiola. A strong chance to win the most competitive domestic league in the world. A chance to win the Champions League. A club that desperately wants to win the Champions League. A club with Abu Dhabi backing. City doesn't necessarily need Messi, and its squad over the years has been built in a calculated, sustainable way. Messi doesn't quite fit the purchase profile. The last time City paid more than 20 million for a player older than 27 was in 2013. And the last time it paid more than 20 million for a player older than 28 was never. Messi is 33. But you don't buy Lionel Messi because you need him or because he fits your purchase profile. You buy him because he is fucking Messi. And because you and he both have been choking in the Champions League, and your and his best chances to reverse the trend is together. At number 2 is Paris Saint-Germain. PSG also has Champions League ambitions. It has a progressive manager and offers Messi the opportunity to form a front three of Neymar, Mbappe and Messi that could rival Barcelona's Neymar, Suarez and Messi trio as the best ever. But life at PSG outside of the Champions League spotlight is quite boring, at least from a soccer perspective. Winning League One wouldn't be much of a challenge or accomplishment. Perhaps PSG's weekend stroll would suit Messi's aging legs. But if he still wants to achieve as much as possible at the highest level before those legs begin to fail him, France would be a curious choice. Number 3 is Inter Milan. The case for Inter is rational. Pretty big club with money and soccer infrastructure, with a vision, and in a pretty big league that also features Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi's arch rival. It's a narrative lover's dream. Messi goes to Italy and challenges for the Serie A title that Ronaldo's club has won 9 years in a row. What better way to cement GOAT status? But would Messi really go to a club that hasn't won anything significant in the last decade? Would he really go for a manager Antonio Conte whose style doesn't exactly seem compatible with his? Would he really go to Serie A, the least attractive league of the Big Four? Probably not. At number 4 is Manchester United. United is arguably the biggest sporting brand in the world. It wants a versatile attacker. If it can pry Jadon Sancho away from Borussia Dortmund, why wouldn't it empty bank account for Messi? Of course, Messi might not want to come. United years of front office fumbling makes Barca look tame. Even with the Argentine, England's most famous club would be the third favourite to win the Champions League and the Premier League. There aren't too many reasons to opt for United over City right now. But the United squad is youthful and fun. It needs an elite talent to take the next step. Unlike City, the club has been willing to splash cash on older and established stars. Perhaps United doesn't make sense for Messi, but a strong push for Messi would make a ton of sense for United. At number 5 is Juventus. On one hand, a pairing of the two best footballers to ever walk this earth, seems like an opportunity Messi wouldn't pass up. On the other hand, jumping ship to join forces with his greatest rival seems directly opposed to everything Messi is. Unless you have a direct access to Messi's brain, there is no way to know how he would feel about a late career partnership with Cristiano Ronaldo. If he'd be open to it, Juve is a prime option. At number 6 is Real Madrid. You would probably think this is a joke to needle Barca fans. But hear me out. If not for the obvious reason for Messi to not go to Madrid, the rivalry, would this not be the perfect landing spot? Richest club in the world, looking for its next Galactico. With a brilliant manager, in the second biggest league in the world, a league Messi knows well, in a country where he is comfortable, a country that speaks his language. Is that not precisely what he is looking for? And if Messi really is fed up with Barcelona, would this not be the ultimate revenge? At number 8 is Bayern Munich. If all Messi wants to do is win domestically and in the Champions League, Bayern would be the best choice, right? But for several reasons, it seems unlikely Bayern wins anyway, with or without Messi. So these were the clubs that might be interested in Messi, and Messi might be heading to one of these lucky clubs. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you like the video, do subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you so much.